Do you want to speak English fluently, but grammar rules always confuse you? You try to remember tenses, verbs, and grammar rules, but when you start speaking, your mind suddenly goes blank. Today, I will show you how you can speak English more easily and confidently without memorizing complicated grammar rules. Yes, it's true. You don't need hundreds of grammar books to sound confident in English. In this video, I will share a very simple method that has helped thousands of learners improve their English speaking skills. And the best part is, you can start using this method right after watching this video, so make sure you stay with me until the end. Let me give you a simple example. Think about the first time you used a smartphone. Did you read the entire instruction manual before using it? Probably not. You simply started using it. You tapped the screen, pressed buttons, made small mistakes, and learned step by step. After some time, using your phone became very easy. Learning English works in a similar way. You don't need to understand every grammar rule before speaking. Instead, you should start using the language, make small mistakes, and learn naturally through practice. This is actually how native speakers learn their language. They learn by using English in daily life, not by memorizing grammar rules. Many English learners try to remember grammar formulas like subject plus verb plus object. But when you are having a real conversation, you don't have time to think about grammar rules. You need to respond quickly. That is why focusing too much on grammar rules can sometimes slow you down. So instead of memorizing grammar rules, try learning phrases. For example, don't just learn the word go. Learn small phrases like go to school, go to work, go out with friends. When you learn phrases, your brain naturally remembers the correct patterns. You don't need to think about tenses or prepositions. The sentence structure comes naturally. Now let's talk about the next step. Listen and repeat every day. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to learn English grammar without even studying it. When you listen to real English conversations, your brain begins to recognize correct grammar automatically. You start to feel what sounds right and what sounds wrong. So try listening to short English videos, podcasts, or songs that you enjoy. Then repeat what you hear. Don't just listen silently. Open your mouth and say the sentences out loud. Even short sentences are helpful. For example, if you hear the sentence, "What are you doing?" Pause the video and repeat it. "What are you doing?" This simple habit improves your fluency, your pronunciation, and your confidence. Another powerful technique is thinking in English. At first, this may feel difficult, but it becomes easier with practice. Try to stop translating from your native language into English. When you translate in your head, it takes more time and often creates grammar mistakes. Instead, try thinking directly in simple English. For example, if you feel tired, just think in English, "I'm tired." If it starts raining, think, "It's raining." If you feel hungry, think, "I'm hungry." These small thoughts train your brain to stay in English. Over time, you will stop depending on grammar rules because your brain will already know what sounds correct. Now let me tell you an important secret. Fluency does not come from studying for many hours at once. Fluency comes from small daily practice. Even practicing for just 10 minutes every day can make a big difference. You can listen to an English story while walking. You can repeat short sentences while cooking. You can even talk to yourself in English before going to bed. The goal is simple. Make English a natural part of your daily life. The more you use the language, the more comfortable it becomes. So remember these simple steps. Don't stress too much about grammar rules. Focus on learning phrases. Listen to English every day. Repeat sentences out loud and start thinking in English. This is how real fluency develops. When your brain hears enough correct sentences, grammar will come naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And tell me in the comments, do grammar rules confuse you too? I would love to read your answers. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more simple English lessons every week. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep smiling.